So the NEET exam once again becoming the face of the growing mess in various important examinations across the country. A student in Bihar confessing today that he received a copy of the NEET question paper just before the exam. The aspirants reportedly paid up to rupees 40 lakhs to get this question paper. The BJP and JDU claims that the mastermind who organized this paper leak is linked with RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav. But opposition leaders led by Rahul Gandhi are continuing to target the centre over the issue, asking them to fix accountability and saying they will raise the matter in Parliament. It's our top story.
Paper leaks, protests, and now politics. A sensational Mantri Ji Connect has emerged in the ongoing NEET paper leak row in Bihar. So who is the Mantri Ji? In a massive political twist to the investigation, an RJD link has emerged to the whole NEET paper leak controversy. BJP dropped a massive bombshell claiming that RJD leader Tejasvi Yadav has links with the paper leak mastermind Sikandar Yadav.
तेजस्वी यादव के आप सचिव प्रीतम कुमार के मोबाइल नंबर रात्रि 9:07 में पथ निर्माण विभाग में कार्यरत NHI गेस्ट हाउस में सिकंदर कुमार जादवेंदु के लिए कमरे की बुकिंग कराने के लिए फोन आया था.
While Tejasvi is yet to comment on this serious charge, his party has outrightly denied having any link to the paper leak accused.
एनडीए की सरकार, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार हमेशा से माफियाओं को संरक्षण देने का काम करती है और जिस प्रकार से माननीय तेजस्वी प्रसाद यादव के पीए का नाम लिया जा रहा है, हम समझ रहे हैं पॉलिटिकल रूप से उनको फंसाने की एक साजिश की जा रही है. ये तो जांच का विषय है, जांच होनी चाहिए.
So who is this mastermind Sikandar Yadav, who is linked now to Tejasvi? It was an arrested NEET candidate Anurag Yadav's confession and the mention of a Mantri Ji which opened a Pandora's box in the paper leak scam. The NEET student confessed that the leaked question paper given to him matched the actual exam paper. His confession letter, which India Today accessed, says clearly that the paper was given to him along with the answers. And who gave him the questions hours before the exam? His uncle, and now the mastermind of this scam, Sikandar Yadav. With this massive political twist, the NEET mystery has become murkier, and the opposition is demanding answers from the government, with Rahul Gandhi leading the fight.
This is extremely damaging to students, and it's happening because all our institutions have been captured. Our vice chancellors are placed not based on merit, but because they belong to a particular organization. And this organization and the BJP have penetrated our education system and destroyed it.
The government has assured that it is aiming for zero error exams.
सरकार एक हाई लेवल कमेटी गठन करने जा रही है जो इस बार प्रकरण में ट्रांसपेरेंसी और डाटा सिक्योरिटी प्रोटोकॉल को और इंप्रूव करने के लिए उस उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी से रिकमेंडेशन अपेक्षित रहेगी.
As politics rages on, questions loom on whether the murky paper leak trail will be unraveled. With Aditya Vaibhav, Bureau Report, India Today.